Welcome to my channel. Stop scrolling. This might be the biggest AI upgrade you'll see this month. Anthropic just launched Claude Sonnet 5, and it's not just another model, it's a serious leap forward. We're now entering the era of fully autonomous AI agents. This thing can plan tasks, use tools like browsers, and execute complex workflows completely on its own. And here's what's crazy. It delivers near top-tier performance at a fraction of the cost. We're talking just $2 per million input tokens, making it super accessible for developers and creators. Early users are already calling it a game changer, especially for working with existing or brownfield code. It can fix tricky bugs like race conditions, write its own tests, and actually complete multi-step tasks that usually break other AI models. Plus, it's built to be safer, with real-time cyber safeguards, fewer hallucinations, and better protection against prompt injection. And the best part? It's already live for everyone. So go try Claude Sonnet 5 and see what it can build for you. This is the future of AI, and it's already here. Thank you.